Hey, this is Coach Hester at Crider's Creek. We've got a new activity for you today. This is target bowling. Now, I've got the target, and these are empty white bottles. You can use milk jugs, you can use water bottles, you can use anything you have at home. You'll also need a sock ball. So I'm going to set this back up, and we can do this a number of different ways. I'm going to start underhand rolling the sock ball. Now when you do underhand rolling, you're going to have the sock ball in your dominant hand, and the dominant hand is the hand you eat with, the hand you write with. You're going to use your dominant hand, and your dominant hand will come back, and you're going to step with your opposite foot, and you're going to roll the sock. And you're going to try to knock down the target. Again, they can be this kind of target, they can be water bottles, they can be milk jugs, whatever you have at home. Now, you can play this a number of different ways. You can play by yourself, and you can see how long it takes you to knock all of them down. Or you can set them back up and let your mom, your dad, let somebody else go. You take turns, but you're going to use the sock ball, and that's underhand rolling. Another way you can do this is by kicking the sock. And you will kick, and you'll bring your foot, you'll plant your opposite foot beside the sock, and then you will kick, and you will knock down the targets. Again, a number of different ways that you can do this. Another one will be if we throw. Now, I'm going to throw with my left hand, and I'm going to turn my body sideways, and I'm going to have my left hand will be back here, and I'm going to step, and I'm going to throw. And you can throw at the target. And then one more way that you can play this game is by striking the sock ball. And you'll have the ball in your non-dominant hand, and you will strike, and you will hit the ball, the sock ball, with your hand. A number of ways. You can roll it, you can kick it, you can throw it, you can do the striking. I hope you have fun with this.